So this is pound dollar analysis for Monday, the 11th of June. Now, let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices head up towards the 34.70. We're foreseeing the strong sell side momentum come back into the market, bring us down towards the 400 period moving average. Traded back above the 34.29, had a brief consolidation, broke down all the way down towards that 33.68. Came pretty close to a test of 33.50 level. Didn't quite get there. Didn't quite get down towards that 33.50, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum, brief consolidation, and we do appear to be having some new buying impetus into the market. So if we can break and hold above this 34.29, we're looking for the buy side momentum continuation here to the upside. And the levels that we are looking at here to the upside are as follows. We are looking for prices to potentially head towards that 34.88, from which we could see the sell side momentum return to the market. But if we can break and hold above 34.88, we're looking for a move up to that 35.20. And if there is such a volatility, 35.50 may just come into focus. If, however, we are not able to hold the 34 break and hold above the 34.29, we're looking for a retracement back down towards this level we previously found support in around 33.68, successful break from which we're then looking for price head down towards that 33.50. Now in around 33.68 we do have the 400 period moving average, and in around the 33.50 we do have the 200 period moving average. Now if we do have volatility to bring us beyond both the 33.68 and the 33.50, possibly looking at the far end of the range being around 33.04, although I anticipate 32.81 coming into focus here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look at the higher time frame, see how prices are developing here on the monthly chart. As you can see, we've had a fairly strong move here to the upside, consolidation before having a breakdown. We're having a bit of a pullback at the present, but for the moment we still appear a bit weak, so there is a possibility of having further continuation to the downside. So we'll see how prices play out this month, whether we will see a move up and then see continued sell-off, or whether we are able to see the continuation of the move to the upside here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a brief look at the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart we can see here we had pretty consistent buy side momentum all the way up in towards the 200 period moving average, from which we have seen pretty sharp sell-off from the 200 period moving average here on the weekly chart. Trade above the level, but pretty sharp sell-off. We are seeing a bit of recovery at the moment. These candles from a weekly time frame perspective do appear weak, have a wick to the upside, pretty small in terms of open to close, and the body of the candles aren't very large. So there is a possibility of seeing a retracement before seeing the next leg of the move to the downside here on the pound against the dollar. And we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart. And over on the daily chart we can see here we've had a sharp sell-off, brief consolidation, further sell side momentum continue. Further momentum to the downside on the pound against the dollar. Now we are having a bit of a recovery at the moment, and over the past couple of days we've gone into a degree of indecisiveness with these dojis. Candles pretty small open to close, suggesting the market is waiting for some direction. So there remains a possibility of seeing a bit of a pullback before seeing the upside momentum continuation, or whether we'll see a continued sell-off breaking the old lows and seeing price head down towards possibly that 30.93. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.